Okay, we are going to go over playlist 3 real quick. So if you found it on Classroom, it's underneath the topic playlist 3, and all of the information that you will need for this playlist, any of the resources that you will need will be underneath playlist 3 as well. So your playlist this week looks like this. First off, your goals are going to be that you can find the 5 W's in an age in a text this week, and then you will also be able to ace your Morphemes quiz on Friday. So there's a clue that you have a Morphemes quiz on Friday, so you know that that will be graded because it's a quiz. Monday, for you guys, you will do the M&M Bell work form like you did last week, and that's found on Google Classroom. You will also be tracking some vocabulary this week, and so you will use this presentation to do that. Then on Tuesday, it's going to be whole class. So if you get done with this and you have time, then go to the enrichment activities because tomorrow we're going to be all together. Or you can use the extra time to maybe catch up on something that you didn't get done from the last playlist. So on Tuesday, we're whole class. So after the bell rings, after you're done reading, we're going to review the thieves strategy. So this will be now the second week that we're going to be working on this as it pertains to reading our informational text. Then we are also going to look at the first article that you will be reading this week because you're actually going to read 2 this week instead of just 1. You're going to go over the weekly question, which is still, what is the world's biggest problem? But I want you to actually use your Newsela source from last week to try to support that as your answer or to defute, I guess, that it is a big problem. And then after we do that, I'm going to introduce the 5 W's and an H to you guys. That is in a worksheet, like I said, on Google Classroom underneath playlist 3. So 5 W's and an H is right here. Wednesday, you guys are on your own again. You need to read for 7 minutes at the beginning. When the timer goes off, you're going to do some morpheme practice, and that I want you to get 80% or better. You could do this for 5 minutes. You can do this for 10 minutes, but I'm looking for 80% or higher on this. Then you're going to finish reading Article 1 and you're going to complete the questions and writing assignment for Article 1 as well. So hopefully by the time you get to Wednesday at the end of the day, you have everything wrapped up from Article 1. Thursday, you're going to read 7 minutes, and then when the timer goes off, you're going to do morpheme practice again. This time, though, you need to get 90% or better, and then you will be reading the second Newsela article, and you need to fill out the 5 W's in an H doc called Thieves Knowledge Check, and that is on Google Classroom as well. So you need to fill out these documents. And there's also a rubric attached here, so you can go and look at that. And then on Friday, you're going to read for 7 minutes, and then you're going to finish your article number 2, and then complete the assignments, and I've listed those there. And then you're also going to fill out your article chart or notes if you have time. And last but not least, at the very end, you're going to take your Morphemes quiz. So 2 things are going to be put into the gradebook after today, or after this week, the Morpheme quiz and the Thieves Knowledge Check. So make sure you guys get both of those done. If you guys have any questions, let me know.